Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a really easy weeknight dinner, homemade macaroni and cheese. Let's go. Alright, first thing to do is we're going to set our oven to 375 and get that preheating. And then we are going to get a pot of water boiling on the stove with a little bit of chicken bouillon mixed in. I just think it makes the noodles taste a lot better. Alright, and we are going to add in a stick of butter to get our sauce going. Make turn this down just a little bit. And then now that our butter is melted, I've actually got it a little bit brown. It's just gonna give it some extra flavor. We're gonna add in our flour. And this is Wondra, so it's just a quick acting or a quick mixing flour, and I like to use it when I'm making roux like this. So I'm just going to make sure that this flour gets cooked out and we're making kind of a paste with the butter and flour. And you want to make sure you do get your flour totally cooked because you don't want the taste of raw flour in your sauce. And it's probably about 6 tablespoons of flour, but I'm just kind of adding a little bit at a time until I get a nice paste consistency. There we go, that's what we're looking for, is a nice thick paste. And then we're gonna add in some seasoning. So I'm gonna do a couple tablespoons of garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, chopped onions, and a little bit of sea salt. And get those spices kind of toasting here. And it looks like our pasta water is ready. Okay. To our spice and roux mixture, we're going to add 1.5 cups of milk. Doesn't matter what kind. And let's go ahead and add our pasta to our boiling water. And we're going to cook this to just under done because we are going to put this in the oven and we don't want it to become mushy. So now I'm going to use my whisk and get all these spices and flour clumps kind of smoothed out here to a nice smooth sauce. You can see it's really starting to thicken now. So I'm going to add in about 2.5 to 3 cups of shredded cheese. This will also help thicken it. I want to make sure it all gets nice and melted. And we're going to turn off the heat and move it off of the burner. And we're going to go ahead and get our casserole dish ready by spraying it with some ham. Alright, these are al dente, maybe even a little underdone. So we're going to go drain our noodles, but we are not going to rinse them. And we're just going to add our macaroni to our casserole dish here. And then I'm going to pour over our cheese. And we're going to give this a nice mix. Then on top, we're going to sprinkle on some more shredded cheese. And we're going to crush up some crackers to sprinkle over the top. All right, and we're gonna bake for roughly 25 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted and the crackers are golden brown. All right, it has been 25 minutes and our casserole looks done. So now we're gonna let this cool for about 10 minutes so that it's easier to dish out, and then dinner is served. All right, we have let this cool for about 10 minutes now, so we're gonna cut into it and see how it turned out. Oh, it smells so good. And I like mine a little spicier, so I'm gonna just top it with some red pepper flakes. And that is dinner served. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.